Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, today's a great day. Miner's Beard is back on the channel. I know, they've been gone for a little while, and man, they are back. And I have been waiting to bring you this one. Trust me, I have. So, we're gonna roll that intro so we can get right to the good stuff. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers of my channel, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for choosing this one. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first timers, I want you to take a look right down below. You long timers have yet to subscribe as well. You can see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Should bring up subscribe, knock it out the way early. Here's a huge reason why. This channel's starting to grow, we're starting to have a lot more fun, and we're starting to bring some more interesting things here. I want you along for the ride, that way I don't fall out of like your little YouTube timeline or suggested videos or whatever. Come along and join us. Alrighty guys, today, like I said, Miner's Beard is back. And we've got their service blend. There's a huge reason why I'm happy about this one. And just so you know, they were really cool, and they sent a matching balm as well. We're not going to talk about the balm today. We're just going to focus here. Alright? Here's the huge reason. This is my collaboration with Miner's Beard. Seriously, it is. After they reached out that first time, they sent us the first two ones that we reviewed. Take a look up top. You're going to see a card for every single skincare, beard care, hair care, whatever, sitting right up there. You're going to find two from Miner's Beard in there as of the day I'm filming this video, which is September 24th, 2019. After they reached out and we filmed those first ones, they went, hey, we want to do a beard oil about you. And I seriously went, why? I'm nobody. You know, I was like, no. And they're like, no, you're ex-military, right? I'm like, yeah. Well, we want to do one about the military. So I was like, cool. They let me name it. And then in our conversations back and forth, they went, now all we got to do is come up with a scent profile. Instantly, I went, whiskey, tobacco, and leather. Why? Simply because on any military base, anywhere in the world, you're going to find at least two of those three items on any service member who is currently on duty. Now, you're probably going to find all three of those on any service member who is currently not on duty. So it just made perfect sense. I did love the artwork. You know, did a great job. All right. Here's the other part that I think is incredible. Miner's Beard is going to donate 15% of each sale to help stop soldier suicide. That's amazing. I reached out. I was like, hey guys, would you consider doing this as an added? And they went, yes. At first I asked for 10. They came back with 15. I'm like, psh, done. You know, if that's what you guys want to do. Heck yeah. Now, we got one more little added bonus for you before I give you some great background info on Miner's Beard. Miner's Beard has graciously given this channel basically a discount code for you guys. It's not an affiliate code. I make no money off of this. If you are a first-time buyer of Miner's Beard, and try to look up here, you're going to see the code as well. It's the channel name, bro. Tctbnl. It's going to save you 15% off your first purchase. So if you think about it, if you're a first-time buyer, Miner's Beard is getting you one heck of a discount, and you're contributing to help veterans in need. You can't go wrong there. So, now that I've babbled on about that, let me give you some more info about Miner's Beard before we get to the good stuff. Alright, you can find them at www.minersbeard.com. They are made in the USA, right in the heart of coal country, West Virginia. What I love, they got their name as a tribute to coal cutters everywhere around the world. Not just here in the States, but anybody who cuts coal, Miner's Beard is about you guys. So congrats. I know your job is hard, and I know you guys can suffer some amazing afflictions. But wow. Now the owners, like I said last time, are an incredible husband and wife team of Michael and Beth Hall. Now, since the last videos that I brought to the channel, looks like they brought on another partner, Gary Caserta, and I hope I'm saying that right. If not, Gary, forgive me, man. I know I have a screwed up last name, and I just probably should have went with Gary, but man, welcome to the team, bro. Michael and Beth are just amazing, and from what I can understand, you're a lifetime friend of theirs, so you already know how great they are. I love the slogan for Miner's Beard, be true to your beard with Miner's Beard. And I gotta tell you, I'm impressed with their oils. I seriously am. Now, with me not being a balm guy, I will use this one when I review it. Trust me, I will. But right now for this one, no. And, God, Seriously, guys, I don't know how you do it. Open the top and that smell's right there, and I'm like, yeah. All right, they do guarantee against defects in workmanship. All right, so if you get your order and say there's something really, really wrong with it, get a hold of them right away. Okay, they're gonna take care of you. It does come in a 2-ounce amber bottle, and it's about 15 bucks. It does have the eyedropper top, which I love. Seriously, I really do. Now, they made one little change, and that's cool, because it just adds a little bit of texture to it. So instead of it being whiskey, it's bay rum. And at first I was like, okay. And then when I smelled it, at first I was like, is that cinnamon? I'm like, what the heck? It's an incredible smell to have on your face. And the couple times that I've used it, and I'm going to start putting it more into the rotation just because I've got other ones I've got to test out and shoot videos on, it lasted me about a good 6 to 9 hours. It really, truly did. Which is almost amazing considering some are gone within an hour. And I know you go nose blind to it, but I could still smell it up to about 9 hours after applying it. All right, so there's the oil. Got kind of a golden tinge to it. I know no one cares about the color, but there it is right there. I'd say it's a really, really good light to almost medium strength oil. So, it's kind of cool. It doesn't run all over the place when you try to put it in your hand to get it warmed up and activated. And, it's not like you're throwing motor oil on your face. Now, the ingredients are jojoba oil, argan oil, castor oil, hemp seed oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and essential oils. Man, guys, like I said, it just smells wow. Now, if you're unfamiliar with how to use beard oil, look, it's totally cool. All right, that's why we go on YouTube, right, to find out cool info. Basically, you get whatever amount you need in that eyedropper top, you dispense it into your hand, and you just start rubbing your hands together to activate it. Well, activate the scent profile a little bit more because you will smell it and you're going to love it. Then you just start working into your beard down to your skin. The beard oil is more for your skin than it is for your beard. But granted, it has 3 incredible uses. Number 1 is a vitamin supplement for your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils to keep your beard hair growing out long, luscious, beautiful, not split ends, not drying, not cracking, not being brittle. Here's the thing for you. You ever had a weird weekend of partying where you forgot to shower and your head's all greasy as heck? What does this feel like? Very dry and very brittle. So it provides that vitamin supplement to keep it growing great. It also helps soften up your beard. When you get it in there, your beard feels incredible. All right? So you've got vitamin supplement softening it up so when you get next to your better half, they're not like, you need to shave, I hate the Brillo pad. And the third, to me, most important one is the scent profile of the beard oil that stays in there that makes you smell good. So you've got something in there to help keep it growing, help it soften, help it smell good. That's 3 incredible uses, right? I think so. Trust me, I do. It's so much fun when you can go to your better half and go, smell this, and she's like, I like that one. So now it's like, yeah, put it on, I got this. All right, I'm just checking. Okay, I got all the high points done. So, as we usually do in our videos, yeah, I'm really excited about this one because I've been waiting a while to get it in my hands. These guys over there are just killing it. They are just destroying it, and they are having an amazing amount of fun time. Guys, I'm really happy with what you've done with this, and you got me right here. You really, really do. It's amazing to be able to look at people and go, I helped make that happen. So, with all that being said, I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comments section. I want to know, have you used Miner's Beard before? Do you have successes with them? Do you have failures with them? What can you recommend about them other than stuff I might have missed? Because let's get honest, there's always young beardsmen out there who need a helping hand. And sometimes there's older beardsmen out there who've never seen, like a newer company. Because, we all get in our rut where we love what we're doing. And maybe this video is going to help y'all out. And I don't know, how many of y'all out there are vets, Get a good conversation started because I do a lot of work to help vets in need. So for them to do that, the 15% to help stop soldier suicide, I'm all for. I seriously am all for. I support it 110%, and I'm very, very grateful you guys went from the original 10 that I had asked you to the 15. You guys are just amazing. But now that I'm fangirling, Man, for you first-time viewers of the channel, yeah, we're gonna do the wrap-up. All right. I am very, very grateful that y'all, picked this video and y'all are watching this one. I know it's an amazing one to check out. It's a different one to check out, but that's part of the fun we're having here on the channel. Now, if you first-timers didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-timers who have yet to do it, here's a great chance to do it again. I'm giving you 2 in each one because we believe in second chances. Look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. Service Plan by Miner's Beard. Thanks so much for watching, and trust me, go get it.